Tagging in farm animals. This method is used for identification of domestic, livestock and other animals. For this purpose, electronic identification tags include EID number or management number. You can see visual and electronic tags below slide. Applicator gun is used for notching in ear. The perfect site for electronic tag is here. Tattoo in middle. And here we can place visual tag. It is common livestock farm practice. Let's discuss applying process of tags. Tag is placed on animal by piercing a hole in ear with backing. Always avoid